Welcome back, everyone. We've got another exhaust overview. Now, this one's a little different from our usual exhaust unboxing installs because this is my FL5 and this exhaust was put on around the same time that my wife gave birth to our daughter. So obviously I was preoccupied, but I still wanted to get some things on the car done. So Junaid and Adam did install the hybrid racing exhaust, and this is a unique overview because I've been living with it for the last 3 months, so I can give you my opinion based on that. Now, this exhaust is a cap system, meaning it doesn't include a front pipe that starts after the downpipe. You move over to the center part with the middle resonator. All of the connections are flange bolted up. Then we have a Y pipe that splits into a single resonator. And then one thing to note, hybrid racing uses their own valve and valve control. There is an adapter for the OEM valve, but I personally prefer to use this system because it's one of the only ones which gives you complete independent valve control. So I've got a remote in the car which I can shut on and off the valve, and there's an auto mode as well. Moving right along to the back, you can see twin 4-inch round tips. They are a little bit sunken. That's because of this massive APR diffuser. They're more pronounced when it comes to having the OEM diffuser on board. But one of the best things I've loved about this exhaust is that it's actually one of the mildest options that is available. With a valve closed, even at cold start, it almost sounds like OEM, just a little bit louder, not too much. And then with the valve opened, it has one of the cleanest tones. Now, I did briefly try this exhaust on the F8 as well when I owned that car, and I had the downpipe and the front pipe on that car, and it was actually one of the most relaxed and calmest setups that I had on the F8 in the 4 years that I owned it. So anyone that has purchased this exhaust, we know the reviews are already out. They consider it one of the mild options, and if you're looking for something mild, definitely don't skip hybrid off of your list. We're going to attach sound clips next. Welcome back to another video. So we've got the FL5 up on the lifter. We're going to close off the hybrid racing exhaust chapter on this car. Bit of a backwards video where we're going to review the exhaust at the very end of my ownership of this exhaust. Essentially, the car came 7 months ago. I just had a daughter at the time. The guys installed this exhaust, and obviously I had so much going on, we didn't really bother capturing the install. But this is also the exhaust that I had on the end of my FK8 ownership, and I absolutely loved it because that car had a 271 downpipe catted, RV6 front pipe, and this exhaust, and it was the first exhaust which I felt like I could take a road trips on with my wife, which is what we did before we sold that car. We went on a 3-hour each way round trip, valve closed, and it was perfect. So as soon as the FL5 was delivered, and I was away being a new dad, the guys put the hybrid exhaust on the FL5. Loved it for the last 7 months. And initially I said, well, this is the one exhaust for me, not going to change out. But in the spirit of being a shop car, we're going to keep on changing exhaust, but I want to leave the hybrid racing chapter with the exhaust clips that we're going to share with you now. So enjoy those, and do not overlook this exhaust. It is one of the best that I've tried from a tone quality, and as well as working with hybrid racing. It's a lot of this comes down to the people that we work with, and hybrid have been amazing in supporting us from day one. So big shout out to those guys.